There's those white birds I was telling you about in one of my videos I couldn't remember the name of. Oh, I'm glad you got to see it before the last one flew away. Usually they're in the field. Let me see if I could get out back. We got a ton of laundry near the washer and dryer. That's why I'm keeping the video towards my back, or my stomach rather. Trying to see. Oh, there they are. Oh God. I would sure what kind of birds they are. I hate when it's enlarged like this. I can't. Are there any more around? No, it's just the same four. Let me see if I can roll this. Okay, well I'm going to focus in on the field a minute so you could all see some countryside. Glad I got some of the birds for you. One was just flying by. I don't know if I got it. Let me see. There they are. There's two of them sitting. I wish I knew what they were. I can't recall what my nephew said they were. See if I could enlarge this some more. I can't enlarge it anymore. But there's two of them. It's going the other way. I wish one would come this way so we could get him in this end of the field. Try to enlarge it some more. I can't. I'm going to end this video shortly, being I got them on video for everybody to see. Maybe somebody could identify them for me. And I don't mean the cows wagging their tail. I mean the birds. And the night's gorgeous out. The trees are blown around. Supposedly next week we're getting all kinds of oh, the other bird flew away. Okay, I'm going to let you see this the branches blowing in the breeze. It's about 85 degrees today. And my niece said all next week it's supposed to rain. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. God bless. Bye. Oh, there was a lizard there. Oh, where is it? I think I see its green tail there somewhere. It was a nice green one. I wish I would have noticed it sooner. Today's Wednesday. Tomorrow and Friday I'll be at the bus stop. I'm not sure if I'm going to get morning and the afternoon videos or just one or the other. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.